You ever done your science lessons and wondered, am I doing this right? Is there only one right way to do it anyway? Here are some tips to help you do your homeschool science lessons successfully. Number one, know what your educational goals are. What are you doing your science experiment for anyway? What questions will it answer? Number two, make sure you get your kids in the right mindset. It's easy to teach kids that are happy, so don't start your lessons if they're rolling their eyes or if they're feeling lethargic before you pull out your science materials. Number three, take the right actions. You can't sleep with a science textbook under your pillow and expect to know about it in the morning. You actually have to do science. You have to ask the questions, design the experiments, get back the answers. You can't just memorize facts or follow some cookbook recipe from a pre-made science kit. Step four, check your progress. Are the things you're spending your time and your money on leading you closer to your goals? Or have you hit a plateau, or are you heading in a different direction? And step five, if what you're doing is not working, it's not meeting your goals, you've got to change your approach. You know, homeschooling has so much incredible flexibility. There's so many different paths you can take to reach those goals for you and your kids to be happy and successful and really feel excited about what you're doing. Thanks so much for listening. This is Aurora with Supercharged Science.